Hey everybody, welcome back. We're still working on the particle systems. It's a little bit early in the morning, but hey, it's okay. What we're doing is I was thinking about what the particle systems are all going to have in common, and they're all going to have a texture. So I decided to take the texture loading out of the actual init code, and what I did was I put it in the base class. So the base class now has the texture unsigned integer, and the base class also has this function LoadTexture, which I had previously done a function called createTexture2D back when I was learning soil and all that. So I took that function just the way that it constant GL char star texture path. Let me show you better in here. Const GL char pointer texture path and just created this function using the STBI, of course. So you just throw in the name of the file, and then it takes care of loading it the way that you want it. Of course, you can change this. You can actually override this per derived class, but in this case, I'm choosing not to. Probably won't. I don't know if I will or not later, but anyways. So I just decided to create this function, and there's the thing there. And then the only other thing I had to do was down here at the end of my init where that section of code was, I just called LoadTexture with the file name, and boom. So now each time I do a particle system, all I have to do is call that, and it loads the texture in, which is great. That is really great. Excuse me. And then there's also the fact of when you're running the display, binding the vertex array, making sure that texture is the latest texture to be bound to the GL texture 2D in that context, and then calling the draw function. And just to convince you all that it still works, there we go. Alright, well that's a very quick video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments in the section below the video.